Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today, oh boy, we've got something from Germany. This is a big box from Germany. I did not even expect it, and let's open it up and have a look and see what's inside. Oh, very cool. So this is a really big box. I've kind of decided that trying to do unboxing things on this while the box is like taller and everything, I thought maybe I should just fill it out. If I'm lucky, I can pull it off. And here we are. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Niissin Foods Advent Calendar. They were kind enough to send me this thing. I didn't expect that they would. This was sent. They sent me one last year, and it was too late. And this year, I didn't even know they were going to send when I asked, but I figured with tariffs and duties and all that stuff, they wouldn't be able to pull it off, but they did. So let's take a look at this. I want to mention that, yes, this is an advent calendar, so you every day from the 1st of December all the way up to Christmas Eve, you get to take something out, which you probably knew. Well, this one, it's got a big sleeve, and this one, yes, indeed, these are all little spots that you pop open and pull out noodles. Oh wow, and there's stuff I haven't reviewed before. Check these out, different pack designs. Oh, this is going to be a blast. And today is November 30th, 2025. So guess what? Tomorrow, I'm going to start each and every one of these, going through it all the way up to Christmas Eve. I'm like really stoked, and I want to send out the biggest thank you to Niissin Foods Germany. And yeah, so you will get to see, I'm going to do special videos every day all the way out to Christmas Eve starting tomorrow. So this is going to be a big project. Yeah. So with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Thanks again to the folks at Niissin Germany. This was like above and beyond. And yeah, what a cool surprise to get this in the mail yesterday. All right, have a good one. Bye.